KKR fans कहाँ हो कोई KKR fan ही नहीं मिल रहा. Where are the KKR SRK fans? So thank you guys. We are back with the next team, Kolkata Knight Riders, and we have a familiar face. You've seen him before in the Delhi Capitals video. So we will be reviewing Kolkata Knight Riders today. So before we do Kormo Lorbo Jeet Bore, just quickly brief you guys of what KKR bought in the auction. They bought Owen Morgan. Pat Cummins, which was the highest bought player in the auction, 15 crores. Chris Green, Tom Banton, Chakravarti, Tripathi, Siddhartha, Praveen Tambe, and Nayak. So they had quite a busy auction. So thanks for joining us today.
Thank you. Last time as a DC super fan, this time as an analyst, hopefully.
Yes. So let's crack on with Aditya's 11. As per him, according to the situations like we've discussed in the UAE, how the pitches would be. Shubman Gill opening with Sunil Narine playing as an all-rounder, which he has for the past few years. Nitish Rana one down, then you have Owen Morgan, Dinesh Karthik the captain, then you have Andre Russell, you have Tripathi, Rahul Tripathi which they bought, Pat Cummins, Nagar Koti, Chakravarti and Kuldeep Yadav. So just briefly I wanted to ask you, okay, Narayan you're playing as an all-rounder, okay, Narayan starts.
See, Narayan would obviously have to start and he's done well as an opener, last few seasons with KKR. Plus I'm also looking at Narayan's form at the recently concluded CPL as well. So their team won the championship and he performed decently well, as a batsman I'm talking about. And Gill fits perfectly well with him because Gill takes his time. So Narayan is a free-flowing batsman. So I believe Narayan and Gill would fit well, as in the opening stand looks good for KKR.
Yeah.
Then I'll come with Nitish Rana. He's a very understated player because you have good big players in the middle order. So Nitish Rana would fit well, in one down. Then comes KKR's main strength, the middle order, which is like excellent, for KKR. So you have Owen Morgan, like he's one of the world's leading batsmen. You have Dinesh Karthik. We need someone like Dinesh Karthik. KKR needs someone like him because then he can play sensibly and he can, play the anchor role. Since Morgan and Andrew Russell after that, they have a strike rate of over 170 plus in the last 7-8 overs. So 4, 5, 6 are the strongest, for KKR, I believe. And if they want to do well in the IPL, 4, 5, 6, these three players have to perform. Because I'll come down to the other part, because KKR has somewhere, I believe, last 5-6 seasons they've had excellent balanced teams, but this time I don't believe they have a very balanced team. So I'll come down to that later. But after Karthik, I don't seem to fit anyone. So I had two options: either Pat Cummins plays, he plays as an all-rounder at 7, but then I'll pick Rahul Tripathi. Since KKR already have a lot of bowlers, Narayan as an opener, Andrew Russell coming down at 6, and Nitish Rana. So all three are decent bowlers. Nitish Rana is more of a part-time bowler. So Rahul Tripathi would come at 7, and then Pat Cummins. They spent over, I think, 12-13 CR, Aman. They broke the bank for Pat. Yeah, they broke the bank for Pat Cummins. Oh, he's a world-class bowler, but still 15 CR is way too much. They could have got 2-3 players in that. So he comes at 8, Kuldeep Yadav at 9, and then their mystery spinner. So I heard Joy Bhattacharya, who was with KKR. So in one of his interviews recently, he's not with them anymore. He said that they've been eyeing for him for a while. So he's apparently a mystery spinner, and they've spent decently well on him. So Varun Chakravarti comes at 10, and Nagar Koti or Shivam Mavi, both upcoming Indian fast bowlers. Either of them can play depending on their form.
I think it looks like a good tape, but honestly, if I look at, first of all, the middle order is strong, but if Gill or Rana don't do well, then a lot of pressure comes on Andre Russell, Morgan or Dinesh Karthik. So on the Indian batting front, they are a little short as per me, and that Tripathi number when he comes at 7, I think is maybe they can.
I don't think he fits in. I don't think he fits in at 7, but I don't have anyone else to fit in.
Yeah, they have Sandeep.
They already have 6-7 bowlers, so we can't, and they don't have an Indian all-rounder. Otherwise, an all-rounder
They only have Rinku
Yeah.
Singh, but Rinku Singh doesn't come into my team. I don't see him as an all-rounder.
See, KKR's strength, Aman, according to me and all you fans, would be their explosive middle order.
Yeah.
Owen Morgan, Dinesh Karthik, Dre Russ, a dream middle order. Again, we haven't spoken about it. Again, this I can call it as a strength. I'm a huge fan of Brendan McCullum, the player, and now I've started becoming a fan of Brendan McCullum, the coach.
The coach, yeah.
So he coached Trinidad and Tobago Knight Riders, Shah Rukh Khan's other team in the CPL, and they won the championship and they created a record. They played 12 matches in the championship and they won all 12. So they're the only team who weren't defeated, right? I think that's a record, right?
Yeah, it is.
So I'm a huge fan of Brendan McCullum as a coach as well. But somehow this doesn't seem the team, who can win the IPL. And coming into the top 4 might just be a problem. That is my prediction.
So if I ask you KKR की league position क्या होगी IPL में? What do you think?
So looking at this team, I think they'll find it difficult to reach the top 4. So according to me, it'll either be 5th or 6th. I don't see them coming in the top 4 unless Morgan and Karthik and Russell, and Gill as well, they perform consistently well. The reason for them not coming in the top 4 is lack of Indian contingency.
Yeah.
They don't have Indian players.
I think lack of Indian experience in bowling also.
Yeah.
Whichever teams we've seen over the years, CSK, Mumbai, who've dominated IPL, they've always had experienced Indian bowlers.
Yeah.
इनके पास experience नहीं है. Nagar Koti, Shivam Mavi, they've never played for India. They're good bowlers, good young upcoming bowlers. But you need experience in that line.
I'll tell you the criteria why I don't see them in the top 4. UAE pitches में हम considering 150, 155 as a
average.
good score, right?
Yeah, with a good
batting wise, I don't see a problem, with them scoring 150 plus on a consistent basis, right? Last में Russell, Karthik, 10 runs per over करके 15 overs में 100 है, तब भी पहुंचा देंगे इनको. Now I don't see them coming in the top 4 is why? See, Kuldeep Yadav didn't have a good IPL last year. I'm expecting him to do well. Why? Because slow pitches and he's a world class bowler. Narayan also is still not the same.
Yeah.
He's improved, but then I compare Narayan with the old Narayan, right? Yeah. And there is too over reliance on Pat Cummins. He's top 3 bowlers currently. But then, there is no support. Shivam Mavi, Varun Chakrabarti and Nagar Koti, they're too inexperienced. So, winning matches on a consistent basis might just be difficult for KKR. So, I find it difficult, for them to reach the top 4.
So
That's
you're
my
saying 5th or
prediction.
6th?
5th or 6th, yeah.
Even I actually agree with him. I would also go for a 6th position for KKR and the reasons we've spoken about already. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Army KKR, Korbo जीत बोले होगा या they will lose.
जीत बोले मुश्किल लग रहा है, but थोड़ा बहुत कॉर्वर है, टॉप 4 में आ जा रहे हैं. Yes.
So thank you guys. Thank you for joining us for this video. Like, share and subscribe कर लो and
करो यार, सब्सक्राइब करो. हाँ.
and there will be more fun content coming. So, thank you.
Thank you guys.